What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be installing a Purell front mount on this 2019 Accord. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do this. Start off by taking off these clips over here, and as I go I'll show you what I took off. Alright guys, so I got the bumper out. Quick tip, if you're doing this on the ground like I am, just put a piece of cardboard or something on the floor so you try to avoid damage to either the lip like this guy has or the bumper. You don't want to scratch it or anything like that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clips on top. Then you got a screw here, goes from the bottom upwards, and then you have 1, 2 more screws, and then after all that you have underneath 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more in the middle, 5, 6, then back over 7, 8, 9 total screws, clips, sorry. And then of course you got to unplug the fog lights. Try not to break those. It's easier if you do it with 2 people, but if not, it's not impossible by yourself. There you go, just like that. Both sides, obviously. And then quick tip also, you should probably just get a couple spare clips. These break very easily. They're pretty expensive, but chances are you're gonna break at least 1 or 2 or lose 1 or whatnot. So, alrighty, the bumper's out. So now what we need to do is you gotta take out the Honda sensing radar, and you have, let's see if I can focus, screw in there, 110 millimeter. All right, there it goes. And then you're gonna have 2 on the bottom here, and then 1 more on that side. Take that out. Take out the clamps for the intercooler. You got the mount for the intercooler. Got the other bolt for the bracket in there. And on this side, you got the 212s. So go ahead and start doing that. Swap it over. Make sure you don't tug on this or bend it. If you do bend this and you put out of whack, essentially the car will think that something is in front of you, and you're gonna have to either A, get it re-aimed, or B, replace the bracket and get it re-aimed. So this is very temperamental. So just be careful. Don't pull on it or anything like that. Once the screws just come out fairly easy. All right guys, so got the radar out, radar bracket. I got 1 screw there, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 10 millimeters, and you're gonna have to take out this plastic cover. It just pops out, no big deal, to unplug the radar. And that has a little tab on the bottom here. You just push and pull out, and then you squeeze these tabs together over here to unbolt that from the harness. All right. Now, if you take it out like this without damaging it, you should not have to program or anything like that. This one pours out. Got a gasket here. I'm not sure if it comes with the new one or not, but we're gonna find out. If not, we're gonna transfer this. Got these rubber grommets here, both sides. I'm gonna transfer that, and you basically have this bracket here holding it in with a 10 millimeter, like so. And you have 1 on this side. It screws into here, and then you got the 212s for the charge piping right here. And on this side you have the screw clamp. All right, let's get the new one in. All right guys, so as you can see, there's a big difference in size, both in height and in thickness. Nice quality intercooler, nice quality stuff they make, Purell. These guys, they definitely know what they're doing. So you got a new O-ring here. I'll go in there like so. This is the Honda one. Fits the Honda intercooler. All right, put this back together in reverse order and see what it looks like when it's all done. All right guys, all back together. Everything went back smoothly. Let's see if it starts, see how it runs, see if any lights are on. Perfect. No lights on, rev's good. Test drive it, make sure it's good, and we'll send it out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos on more installs.